In this task, we need to install IPtables firewall and then disable 5000 ports for all the servers except load balancer. And then even if you restart the system, these rules needs to be persistent. So if you do curl stap01 on 5000, so you're able to reach. Even if you do on app server 2.3 as well, you're gonna reach. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to open a new terminal, then ssh into 20 stap01, and then put the password, be a sudo user. Now install IPtables, IPtables hyphen services -y. So let's do the same for other app servers as well. SSH Steve stap02, and then put the password, be a sudo user. Okay, do the same. IPtables hyphen services. So let's connect to app server 3 as well. Banner at the right stap03, and then put the password, be a sudo user. That's fine. And then you install IPtables hyphen services hyphen y. Okay, it's going to install now. It's been installed now. So once you do that, you need to start the service. First enable. So enabling means even if you restart the system, it automatically starts up while starting the system. It's like a startup. So enable IPtables, and then start it as well. Okay, so what I'm going to do actually, let's copy these commands because I'm going to run this in another server, so this makes easy, so I don't need to type again to be, just paste it, and then you need to add a rule. So how you gonna add the rule? So command is IPtables hyphen a, that means you're going to append rules, and then input hyphen p, so p stands for port, so it's a TCP port. Then I'm going to allow hyphen source is stlb01, that's our load balancer, you can see that. It's a host name, either you can use IP as well, so this one, and then hyphen d port, so destination port, it's 5000. So if somebody reaches from this host on port number 5000, I'm going to accept it. J stands for jump, so that's jump to accept. What happened? Let's rerun. That looks fine. Okay, let me copy this because we need this command. So once you're done with that command, you need to drop for other hosts. Then input hyphen p TCP hyphen depot. Just make sure, otherwise you will be locked out. 5000 and then hyphen j and drop. Oops, I missed yes. It's IPtables. That looks fine. Let me copy this one. Okay. Now if I go back, if I try to do stap01 on port 5000, it says refilled. That looks fine. So if I SSH into stlb01 and then put the password for that server, okay, now try to do curl stap01 on port 5000. Oops, it's not accessible. So let's see. So if you come to app server 1, if you do IPtables -l input, okay, let's do -n-v. Okay, so I'd like to get line numbers as well, so I'm gonna add line numbers. Okay, if you're wondering how I know these things, if you do IPtables -h, so you can go through these to get an idea. So here you can see hyphen line numbers. It says print line numbers when calling. So -v, it's a verbose, -n for numeric output of addresses and ports. So you can take the help page. You can have a look at the help page. So if you do this, now you got that. So our port 5000, it's been accepted from this IP. That looks fine. But how these IPtables rules evaluate? So it comes from top to bottom. So here you can see reject all. So it's not gonna come to this number. So we need to delete this one, number 5, rule number 5. So let's do that. IP tables, I think -d, and then input, it's input line number 5. So because this is a culprit, so delete it. Now service IP table, just save the rules. So let's copy this command as well. Okay, we need another one as well. And then restart the service, systemctl restart IPtables. Come back and run it. So let's check it now. Okay, it's working now. So let's do the same thing for app server 2 and 3. So I don't want to enter the commands again, that's why I copied these ones. Just copy it and paste it. Let's come back here, do the same. So let's check the access from here. stap02, it says refused. Yeah, it's working now. Let's do it for app 3, refused. Yeah, it's working now. So let's check the task result. So this is how you can use IPtables firewall. The reason to copy paste, I just don't want to waste your time, because you know how I did with the app server 1. So the same thing goes with other app servers as well. So hopefully this task goes through. Yeah, it's been successful. Thank you so much for watching.